How to create high converting email funnels. If you are an online business owner, one of the powerful things that you need to learn is how to use email funnels to grow your business. I've talked about it in my previous video as one of the strategies to really explosively grow your business right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an extensive and powerful email marketing funnel that will drive you a lot of results for your business. Of course, my name is Joshua Mba. Here, I'm super excited to have you guys again in my channel, and one of the things I enjoy doing over time is to share my knowledge about my journey and stuff I do for myself and for my business. And I know these things are helping people because I receive testimonies every time on my email, on WhatsApp, on Telegram. I get people calling me every time and say, hey, thank you for this video. And I'm also encouraged to come here and share these things with you guys. And just in case this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe. Your subscription to this channel will help you to see other videos I'll be posting, and of course it will bring you into the community and you will join my community and we'll become friends, and together as friends we'll continue to grow and do amazing things, right? So don't mind me anyway, but we're going to talk about how to create email funnels actively for your business. One of the things you need to know about email funnels is that it gives you the leverage to build engagement, build discovery system, build a purchasing system and retention, because with email funnels you can get prospects, nurture them, and then get them to buy a product. And when they even buy, you can still keep them buying and buying and buying more of your products. And that's what I'll be explaining today. And one of the things I've done for myself over time is to learn sales funnel. And amazingly, it's one of the beautiful decisions I've taken in my life, right? Understanding sales funnel. And one of the funnel type you need to learn is email marketing funnel. And in the email funnel, we have 3 layers of it, which is very, very key. Number one, we have top of the funnel, they call it TOFU. And then we have middle of the funnel, and then we have the bottom of the funnel. Now, top of the funnel, what you are focused more on is to generate the leads. And generating leads, we have to now develop a lead generating system or a lead generating funnel, a lead gen funnel, as some people call it. In lead gen funnel, you are basically focused on one fundamental thing, which is to collect the information of your prospects. And most times, because collecting people's information is like collecting something very valuable from them. Psychologically, it looks like they're giving away very valuable information. Of course, people's data is extremely very, very, very valuable. And for you to get those data from them willingly, you have to ethically bribe them, right? Ethically bribing them is to offer them something in return. It should be a bold promise. It could be a lead magnet. That's when you start hearing things like lead magnets, lead magnets, lead magnets. Ideally, what lead magnet is something you are giving them at the time that will help them or help you extract their data from them willingly, right? And for you to achieve this, you want to use a lead magnet that resonates with your prospect. So I'm going to give you a typical example. Let's say I want to sell, let me use a coaching program. All right, a coaching program for software developers. I want to use something quite abstract, not something very regular. Let's say I want to sell a coaching program for software developers, right? And if I'm going to do that, I have, let's say the coaching program is $1,000. And if I'm going to do that, I want to first of all get the leads of people who have interest in the coaching program as software developers. So I'll probably give them a handbook. And then their handbook, which is like a PDF, ebook, I'm going to give them, it's not going to be a full book, it's going to be a book that basically shows them one of these things, either a done-for-you system. A done-for-you system could be how they can productively get jobs, step-by-step process they can use to land their next job, their next remote job, or it could be step-by-step on how to build softwares that would give them XYZ kind of income, building SaaS solutions like this. So I really want to focus on the area that resonates with your ideal customer, because at this stage you already know your ideal customer. So let's say, for example, again, that my ideal customers are people who I want to show how to land their dream remote job. So I'll create a framework, very short handbook of 5 pages, 6 pages, step-by-step framework on this is the first thing you do to search for the job. This is what you need to do to apply for the job. This is how you show for interview, and then this is how you land the job. And when you land the job, this is how to stay in the company for 5, 6, 7 years, or as long as you want. So I have that framework and I show them step by step, and then that's what I'll present to them. So I want to give you a handbook that will help you land your next $10,000 or $150,000 per year job as a software engineer. They give you their information and you email them the handbook in their email. What it does for you is that you've collected their information willingly without even asking for it. Ethically, you've stolen from them. No, ethically, you've gotten an information from them rather. So, and then you've given them something valuable. They need that handbook. And with that, once they have entered into your system, we call it your lead system, your community of prospects, the next line of action, which is the middle of the funnel, is to now nurture them. Nurturing them is to bringing them to the awareness of a deficiency they have. They have a deficiency of having a mentor in this context. They need a mentor. So you have to now create contents that end up telling them, hey, you need a mentor. Hey, this is an advantage of having a mentor. This is an advantage of having a mentorship by being part of a mentorship program. So you want to use attraction contents to nurture them, right? In that sequence. So you can probably have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sequences of messaging you're going to email them over time, or even more. Some people do up to 12. And then at the end of the day, you're going to sell them and tell them, okay, because you have discovered, when you have shown them how deficient they are without a mentorship, then you sell your mentorship program. And at the end of the day, they buy it. And because they are still on your list, you can even sell them a higher mentorship program, another ebook, another course, another video, a physical training, because you have their data already. That's the amazing thing about email marketing. So if you understand these 3 stages of the funnel, the bottom of the funnel is where you now sell them and then retain them actually. And you want to do it right. So extensively, if you can apply this to your business, you should be able to move from having $0, $10 to having 50 sales just with email marketing. And it's so beautiful. All right. Did you learn something today? Of course you did. So find a way to apply this in your business. I'm very, very sure you're going to see massive results, just like I've seen for myself and other people I've seen. You're going to see massive results in your business. It will take some time. First time, sometimes you get the lead generation system wrong when you don't have the right lead magnet. But you have to, over time, repeat the process, get it right, do your A/B testing. And once you get it right, you constantly have prospect walking to your funnel, and you constantly have prospects you can actually nurture and then get them to buy. You can automate this whole process and then see this thing work for you year in, year out. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll be sharing something powerful and amazing that will literally help you move your business from where you are now to where you need to be. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with people around you. See you in my next video.